Is he fighting or no?
No, he tried to fight me when I was trying to.
He's not fighting. Is this him?
That's him. He's been very unruly.
Yes, sir. Can you just step off so we can talk? Yep. Is that him? Who is it? Come on over here, man.
I need to get my stuff.
Yeah, we'll get your stuff in a minute.
I need to get my stuff.
Let's talk about it real quick.
I need to get my stuff.
Yeah, he look like he eat his boogers.
I get that. Let's talk about it and maybe you can still fly.
Talk about what?
I need to figure out. I just got here.
I already was talking to them.
So let's just talk about it.
They're saying that there's no way. Like, I already told them. I went and...
Okay.
I'm just trying to... And I don't want to wait another 5 hours in there.
I get it, but we got to talk about it, bro.
No, I know your police tactics. I deal with police before. I've been arrested.
He ain't new to this. He true to this.
Cool, that's cool.
You're just
So I don't want
to.
I don't want to arrest you right now. You still got to get off the plane, though.
Arrest me for what?
Trespassing on the plane.
What crime have I committed?
That's it. They don't want you here. They just want you to leave.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, cool. Hey, can we get airside? He's refusing to get off the plane.
Do you want to go down?
They're just gonna get your stuff, bro. Can you get your stuff?
Come on, bro. Let's go.
You already know what time it is, bro. Unball your fist.
That's not a crime. That's not a
You're
crime.
right.
That's not
But it is a threat.
Are you just gonna stay on these people $1 million plane and not get off?
That's it. They're getting your stuff now.
Oh, that was disrespectful. Yeah, that was tough. He knew what he was doing when he did that.
Their shoes, bro.
I would have took offense to that.
I just asked you to get off. We would get that stuff nicely. You're not doing it, so I'm not playing nice anymore. That's all you got to do.
I'm not weird, bro.
That's cool. Right now, they don't want you on the plane. That's it.
I can move it on so I can move it.
Oh, now you want to get off.
For some damn boots? That's what you were staying on there for?
Thank you.
He's off the plane. Let me try to get his stuff.
Where's the big guy?
He's in the corner. Where's his stuff at?
That was his boots. That's apparently all he had.
Just the boots?
Yeah, just the boots, I guess.
Look, you guys got weapons, bro. I swear, bro. Oh, I have my luggage, bro.
Where's your luggage at?
I don't know where.
Did you check it in?
Yes, I did.
Okay, it'll be at your destination.
Is it on the plane or did you?
You guys are lucky you guys have weapons, bro.
Walk on up.
Why is he punching his... Man, look, you was at the airport, sir. This is not going to end like you wanted to. This will be a federal charge.
Hold on. Let's get airside. All you gotta do is walk up.
Well, if he didn't know he was getting arrested, the officer just told him, hey, when you get past this shit, your ass is getting arrested.
That's isolating. You guys get beat the up, bro. Guaranteed.
Ooh.
Pussy ass police.
Ooh.
Shit, bro. You guys are pussies, bro. You guys need weapons, bro.
Oh.
What?
I said keep walking.
What are you gonna do? You're lucky you need.
To a woman, bro, you're not hard. Any man that goes at a woman is a complete straight like that. You feel me? You gotta feel big and bad when you go at a woman. You are not a real man.
Just walk towards the gate.
Nah, shut the up, bro. You guys are.
All right, sir. The children.
It's a freedom. I can say whatever I want.
Oh, here we go with freedom of speech. People don't even know how to use it in the correct terms.
Where's the victim?
You're a. You need weapons. Take off the badges. Let's go somewhere right now. Me and you. Yeah, exactly.
He gotta be in his low 20s because they always feel like they gotta prove something.
Okay. Asian.
Well, that's rather racist, sir. There's no need for that. Okay.
Hey, I know some Asians that will whoop your ass.
My ethnicity doesn't have anything to do with it.
Grow some hair.
At least I got a half decent haircut, my friend.
Got hair?
I don't want hair.
Come Come on,
In World
Boots.
War II, they dental flossed you guys. They blindfolded you guys with dental floss on.
That's going to warn to the tram.
Yeah.
That way, bro.
Right there, right there.
Right here, dog. I'm telling you
I'm
something.
taking, where's my fucking flight?
Let him sit. You want to sit here? No
What?
problem.
Where's my flight?
Leave. Give him a route out.
That's the way out right there, the train, right?
For where?
Exit to get out of the airport right now.
Right there.
You're not going to the flight right now. You understand that, right?
I'm not going to
That way is
flight.
your way out.
Where's
We're out.
That way on the
where's my
tram.
new flight? They
Bro, just take it and go to another airport, bro.
said they
Your
would give me
flight's
a new
not
flight.
coming, sir. You've been denied boarding. Okay?
You have to find a new carrier, right?
So your flight is on the way out, and you have to book another one. Whatever airline's going to happen.
That's
or you can
fucked up.
go with what was that? Spirit. You can go to Spirit counter.
R.I.P. to Spirit. Spirit got the best damn customers. I hope somebody come and save them. The only thing I ain't like about Spirit is you get on Spirit, you might become one because that turbulence is a motherfucker.
But you're not flying on that
And
flight.
where's my money?
That's not our problem, sir. Our problem is you acting disorderly. On the flight and off the flight. Your exit's on that tram. You have an exit way.
Pussy, bro. You know that? You're a bitch, alright? Pussy, you need a weapon, but without all that shit, bro, you ain't nothing but a
Why you ain't walking? Why you trying to be big and bad against cops? You're not gonna win this battle. It's not gonna happen.
alright?
Okay, sir.
Lean, you pussy ass.
Keep walking, sir.
And you guys get off my nutsack, you guys want to money.
Not on your nutsack, sir. Please keep walking.
Why are you pushing
Please
me?
keep walking, sir.
Why are you pushing me?
Please keep walking.
Why are you pushing me? Leave your hands off of me.
My hand's not on you. Keep walking.
Why you getting in his face, bro? You need to chill before it go down.
Is your body camera?
This is a federal charge if you know.
Absolutely.
You're touching me.
It's okay.
No, you can't.
Keep walking, sir.
You touch me. You
Please
don't have
keep
a right to touch me.
Keep walking,
Touch
sir.
me again.
Keep walking,
Touch
sir.
me again, exactly, because you know you
Oh.
can't f***ing touch me.
Keep walking, sir.
You get the
There we
f-
go.
out of my face
Keep
and I
walking,
will.
sir. There you're-
Back
you're-
the f- up. Get away from me. Get away
Put
from
your
me.
hands down.
Get the f- away from me.
Exit. He needs an exit.
I will
way.
it, bro.
Walk.
Nah. Don't yell in my face.
All you gotta do is walk.
You're gonna hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Exactly.
Walk that way.
Why is he not
I
walking?
will when you back up.
I don't need to
Get
back
out
up.
of my
My
face.
job.
Then I don't need to walk.
Please leave.
Oh, he say he with the shits.
Please leave. Your exit's right there.
Right? You're not hard, bro. I'm not hard. Get the f- out of my face.
It's my airport, bro.
Get the f- out of my face.
Please keep walking.
Book a flight, you go that way.
Get out of my face.
You want to go to jail, hang out here. So you
Where's the airside?
Get out of my
He not fucking around.
Face.
School about to do something dirty to him real good,
I'm not going
and I'm here for it.
Get the f- out of my face. I ain't going anywhere, bro. Get the f- out of
We're
my
between trams.
face.
Oh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ah, yeah. He did all that just to get bitched.
Which way you going?
How you like that?
Go. Get this
Take that, take that. See what trying to be a tough ass get you?
I got cops.
Hands behind your back.
All right, yes, sir.
Do it now.
Give us your hands.
Yes, sir.
Don't say yes sir now. You was just big and bad. You and it been like that.
Ready for
One man ain't never gonna be stronger than three old ass men. That's that grown man strength. You know what I'm saying? That's why they don't be, they don't be flossing that shit because they gonna be they gonna have to take an Epsom salt bath and take some what is that? Not the ibuprofen. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But they don't be wanting to use that shit, but they got it on them. That boy went like this and muscle went like that. Hold on, look at my titties. Workout starting to work out.
That's me.
Bring him down. Bring him down.
Okay, I like that.
Good.
Sorry, y'all. I've been going to the gym every day, doing calisthenics and the calisthenics or calisthenics. Okay.
Go and pull back, Andy. Go ahead and pull your arm out. Okay.
192 from Millicom. Can you confirm your location?
Fear God. All you had to do was leave. What was so hard about leaving?
Good.
Sit up.
On the air side.
I told you not to ball your fist up.
Now they finna treat you like how you been acting, a piece of shit.
Anything in socks? No. Anything in socks? No. You sure? Let me see.
You're on the waist.
Anything in this sock here?
You got the right one today.
Let me double check. That's nothing in your
You're on
shoes.
the waist.
When this officer was talking to you, you had your right hip fist balled up. That's what you're going to jail for.
I would have been like, world star. I would have my phone like this.
I might need a new radio.
Okay. Good, thank you.
And you never go at a bald head. Like bald heads, they got like super duper strength.
Just get a short stem.
What's
We were shitty time.
of course?
Obviously.
We were coming down. We were at the gate. Active call, right? Fight in progress. I get down there. I'm like, there's this really big guy in front of me. So I tap on my shoulder. Hey, sir, you want to step off? He's like, no, it's not him. It's him. I'm like, okay, cool, sir. Step off and talk to me. No, not without my stuff. He only had a set of brown boots. Finally, get the brown boots. Chuck him off the plane. I see his fist balled up around the ticket. I'm like, hey, man, don't do that. Finally gets off. He's talking shit all the way back to here. And then we're like, hey, keep moving. I was like, hey, keep moving. Guy didn't touch. Hey, we're going. Once he comes down here, he's like, get off my nuts and I'll move. I was like, get moving. Here, don't yell at me. Okay. And Pete Leninkamp comes over and starts talking to him. I see his hand come up like this. I'm like, oh.
I'll kick your ass.
Next train will be on this side. That's the very end.
So are there charges like back at the gate, or?
I didn't even get to that.
Okay.
Are you guys good with me if I go check on that?
Yeah, I got it.
I'll go find a spot for Sergeant Jewel to get in.
Did anything happen on the flight with that gentleman?
No, negative. Apparently, as the flight attendants called me down, because I'm the station supervisor,
Right.
I went to see what he was doing. So apparently, inside the aircraft, he was, I guess somebody sitting next to him or something, and he didn't want it, him that close. So he started going like he was doing when you guys got here. So then
He's hitting his fist into his open palm like this? Okay.
threatening, very threatful. And then he said, I got to go to the bathroom. And he came from his seat all the way to the first class bathroom, went in there, and that's when I arrived to the scene.
Right.
He was debriefing me about where his...
His adrenaline is pumping right now. You can hear it.
Jose, I'll call you back. I'm in an issue. I got to call you back.
Hey, yeah, I copy. I'm going to be down at the gates. Give me a second, Sarge.
So when I went over there, the flight attendant said that she was being nasty to them, cursing at them.
AC, can you get her in?
He was cursing at the passengers as he was walking by and disrespecting the flight attendants. So then he went into the bathroom. When he came back, I arrived at the scene.
Right.
She was telling me what was going on, and I said, well, if it's that issue, because we have to decline it. We want him out of the aircraft.
Right.
So when he stepped out of the bathroom, I approached him right there, and I said, can I see your boarding pass? And then he's like, what you want my boarding pass for, bro? I get out of my
16182. You're in for the 29 p.m.
stood there, I said, I just need your boarding pass. Then he handed over to me. When I'm going to look at his name and everything, he snatched it from my hand, and he said, you need to move
Right.
I need to go back to my seat. I said,
Oh, yeah. You get kicked off that shit regardless.
sir, do you have any carry-on luggage with you? I need you to talk inside the aircraft. You're not going to be flying on this flight today. And then he just started going, oh, Frau, you're lucky, oh, PD, you're lucky. We can do this right here, being dreadful.
Right.
So I wouldn't budge because I was blocking the walkway to prevent him from going back into the aircraft.
Is that why all the passengers are stacked up there?
Yes, because he refused to move, so he was just.
Did that flight already take off?
Yeah, he pushed back.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And so the captain noticed the commotion, and he opened the door, and he just stood by there. The big guy came, and he was like, "It's time for you to step off." And then they just put me aside. You know what I mean? Because I was not being confrontational. I was just not letting him. I was not budging, but I was looking at him, just letting him speak. You know, quietly.
Yeah, cause that shit don't mean nothing, boy.
But then when you guys arrived, that's when everything started.
What do you want from
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah. You good, Mama? All right.
I don't know where that's coming from.
Yeah, it's just anything. Yep.
Yep.
Saw him was gone. Do something.
Everybody grab a shoe.
So,
Number is going to be 16188 to this 16188.
we just gotta go down the elevator here around the corner. Yeah.
Now you gotta walk outside like a dumbass barefooted. Off with some boots.
Excuse me, you guys have my phone.
The what?
You guys have my phone.
I don't know, but we'll check. I'm sure we have everything.
Sorry about that, you know, honestly. I don't know what I was thinking of it.
Yeah, we don't even know.
How is this?
73-175-76 with Colin at the information desk on level 6. The reference is white.
So stupid. Now you get to see a part of the airport that you never seen before. You get to go on the tour.
Jacket, black jeans, carry a black person around.
Take a seat.
He was charged with disorderly conduct, assault on a law enforcement officer, and resisting arrest. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. As well as don't forget to like, comment, and share as it helps my channel out tremendously. If you guys want to follow my other pages, go to the home tab on my YouTube. And I have I got 3 other different YouTube pages for you guys to check out if you want more entertaining content or you just can't get enough of your boy. But that's it, baby. See you guys at the next premiere. And hold on. It's the pinned comment below if you didn't know, because a lot of y'all are new. So if you don't know, it's the next video after this one tonight is going to be the pinned comment. So click that pinned comment in the live section and see you guys there. And that's it, baby. Out.